All right, I'm back and I'm gonna make a next level kind of cocktail. We're gonna see how this comes out. This is gonna be a Bananas Foster's Old Fashioned. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today I'm gonna make a old fashioned that is a little bit different than my other ones, but it's one of my favorite desserts, a Bananas Foster's. Now, I haven't made one of those in a long time, but I had to make some today to make my syrup. So, if you want to see how I make my Bananas Foster's and how to use that for the syrup for this drink, you have to head over to Patreon. Join Patreon. There's a free version. All right, guys, let's get back to this video. Now, this one's going to be made directly in a glass. We're going to start off with some black walnut bitters. We're going to do 2 dashes of that black walnut bitters. So Bananas Foster's does have some nice vanilla notes in it, so I'm going to add some more vanilla notes by using this vanilla bitters. We're going to do 1 full dash of that. Now we're going to add some, this is the Bananas Foster. So if I showed the video, you know how to make it. If not, as I said, I'll have a separate video just on how to make this syrup. It is already starting to thicken, so I have to start using this. We're going to use a good ½ ounce of this. Now it's a little chunky and that's okay, but it has a lot of flavors. The reason I'm actually using this one first is because I'm going to use the spirit and the rest of it to wash this out so I don't miss any of it. Next, I'm going to be using some creme de banane. Yeah, it's banane or banana, but not banana. Now, we're also going to use a good ½ ounce on this. Now, I did make a brown sugar banana old fashioned, and that required a ½ ounce of this as well. I thought that was going to be too much, but it actually was just perfect. So I'm going to use the same amount in here. If you have not seen that video, I'll leave a link to it right here. I'm going to go ahead and add my spirit. So this one, I'm going to go a higher proof. I'm going to go Jack Daniel's single barrel. I'm doing this because a lot of times these already have a banana flavor to them. Nice. And I want a higher proof for this one. I want this to be a next level kind of drink. I don't know what, let's go 2 and a half. Hopefully all the ice fits, right? 2½ ounces. That sounds better. Why not? Now we're going to stir this up a little bit. And I'm stirring this before I put the ice in it because sometimes when you have something as thick as that, if you put ice in it before you stir it, what ends up happening is it coagulates and then you can't stir it anymore. So I'm going to stir this up pretty decently until, and then we'll add that ice to it as well. All right, I need to move fast here, get my ice in here, drop that in here. Oops. That's why I usually add it before. Stir it just a little bit, make sure to chill this a little bit. Now I'm going to be adding, so this is my Bananas Foster's on top. So that's my Bananas Foster's I made. And then I put it onto some burnt sugar as well. And we're going to use that as the garnish. We're just going to put that right on top there. So there you go. My Bananas Foster's old fashioned, little kind of fancy and bougie, but hopefully it's going to taste as good as it smells because it smells amazing right now. All right, let's take this part off for just a second. Let's go home for a sip. Cheers, everybody. Oh yeah, that's hella good. That's hella good. Now I'm excited because I haven't even eaten my Bananas Foster's yet because trying to get this all going super quick. Let's go. Let's go in for a taste. First of all, great Bananas Foster. Cheers. Oh yeah. That is a great Bananas Foster old fashioned. Noam, if you're watching, try this one. Promise you, you'll like it. Now, the only thing, this is nice and whiskey forward the way I like them. But if you're making this for somebody else, you can actually add a little bit more of the Bananas Foster in it. And I'm probably going to do that and take it out to my wife so she can try it as well. But wow, I'm excited about this one. This one came out exactly the way I wanted it. Bananas Foster Old Fashioned, made with Bananas Foster in it as well. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my old fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.